Alrighty guys, been a while since I made a video. I'm sorry about that, it's been busy, but we're gonna go check out some storm damage on the farm. I thought I'd hit the V10. Nice. I was sitting under that pine tree over there for a while, but when them storms came through, I started moving trucks around. As the fear of a tree falling on them would suck. Close enough for women we go for. I got a note, yoke field on this side of the farm. I had a tree fall down on it. Luckily it's good enough for firewood. After the storm, yotes aren't doing too good in some places. Some places they're down. And this particular field, the deer got to them pretty dang good. There ain't shit on this fence line here. I don't even see this shitty ass windshield. Here's a tree. Big. And it's rained again. Ain't that great. You can see it broke off way up there. I mean, it took high winds to do that. That's not punky at all. And what me and Dad are thinking, Dad knows more than I do because he went on that run. Over that way, we had power lines go down and his station got called, so he went out that way. And there are trees bigger than that snapped off. So what we're thinking, and what he says, that because we're in the valley, we got hills on this side and hills on all the way around us. We had a tornado come through this way. It hit the hills, jumped over us, and about maybe a half mile. It's dicked. There's somebody up the road that lost the roof on his house, or pole barn. The tornado took the roof off his pole barn, and there's trees snapped off. You could tell where it went. You can see there's just freaking nothing here because of the deer. There's big freaking trees down up there. I want to get out there and check it out, but you just can't get down the road. I guess we're relying on Wexford County to clear the roads of the trees. So consumers can get in to fix the line. So that being said, us relying on Wilkes County, we're fucked. Their work ethic, they don't do shit. If I go up there tomorrow after work and I see them trees aren't cleared up, I'm taking care of it. I ain't waiting on them. But the old V10 sounds pretty dang good. 212,000 miles. My truck's at, my new truck, 331, 120, I think. I'll have to take a look. So, sorry I haven't made a video in a while. It's been busy. I got a lot on my mind lately. In this storm that don't help me much. But it's our loss, which it's looking like it, because it just won't quit raining. If it don't quit raining, I can't get a custom cutter out here, so it's part of farming. You gotta roll with it. So, I don't know when I'm going to be able to upload this. I think it's the 28th or 29th. And means that we got no power after the storm. I don't know when I'm going to get the internet to upload this, so it might be a couple days. So, in the description, I'll let you know what happens when it gets uploaded and whatnot and all that. So, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Well, here's more of the storm damage. This guy right up the road lost the roof off his pole barn. I don't know how well you can see it, but them trees are, they just snapped right off of. Unfortunately, took that guy's Jeep out. Here it's really bad. I think today's the 29th of August. I've ever seen a storm do this kind of damage in the 21 years I've been here. This tree just got blown right over.
For your family and for your home, and the best savings.
Sure, maybe it's presence known, that's for sure. Look how big that tree is. It just snapped right off. Just snapped them right off. That's how high them winds were. It wasn't even winds, it was a tornado. What happened was it hit them hills right over there. It skipped right over us and it hit here. Alright, run a little bit more, see what else I see. I don't know when it's going to get towed up because we still don't have power.